Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Metro Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search Metro Bank Login. Once you make search, you'll find Metro Bank on top of your search list. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you are redirected to the official page of Metro Bank. Look on top right corner of your screen and you'll find Login. Pick the option that fits you best. For now, I'll choose personal banking. Now, as you are already redirected to the login portal, you have to enter your 12-digit customer number or username right here and click continue. And after that, you have to enter your password and you'll be logged in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.